Hello. When I first started learning perfumery, I kept hearing this thing called CAS number, CAS. I didn't really know what it was, but I kept hearing it. So I'm making this video very short to tell you simply there's something called a CAS number and you should know about it. Think of a CAS number like this. It is a passport for your material. It is the ID code that identifies exactly what is in your bottle. As you can see on this bottle, here it says CAS and it's followed by a code. This code is the CAS number 91645. Now let's look at this other material. Here it says 89430. So it's going to be unique and different for each different material. You might think, why do I need a code? I know what I bought. But you cannot just hear patchouli and think, oh yeah, I have patchouli. Because which one do you have? Do you have the Indonesia one or the China one? There are more than 4 different patchoulis from across the world. Even different patchoulis from within Indonesia. Different patchoulis from different suppliers smell slightly different. But more importantly, they may have different technical safety rules. One might have allergens in it and yours might not, or the other way around. So if you're looking to buy a specific material for a formula or looking up safety information, you need to match the CAS number to make sure that the information you are reading is actually for the material you're holding. The CAS number also helps you avoid buying the same material 3 times. You'll start seeing this all the time. You go to different websites and you see different materials. These are the same material, but they have a different commercial name for the same molecule basically. Another example is Isoi Super and Timber Silk. They have the same CAS number, but they may have different purity levels. The point is, to you they may sound like separate materials. You might see that one is expensive, one is cheap, and choose the cheaper one. But if you check the CAS, you might find that they both have the exact same one. The CAS number is the only universal truth. It tells you, is this a different material or just a different name for the same chemical? It is also useful when talking to other perfumers. If you just ask them a question about patchouli, they don't know which one you're talking about. But if you provide the CAS number, now they can be absolutely sure, and also you can be sure that their answer is about your material. Last thing I want to mention, some materials don't have a clear CAS number, like the violet leaf I reviewed earlier. On the website of my supplier, it does not have a CAS number, because sometimes it just cannot be identified easily or at all. This is not the end of the world, but it can be a problem if you care about safety data or other critical technical details. In my case, I could ask my supplier for the safety datasheet, the technical datasheet, and he would provide. It's just something you have to keep in mind. So my suggestion is that if you can't find your CAS numbers, write it down somewhere, just so you have it. That's all for this video. Cheers.